turn regular food into some spooky snacks. Let's get started. Okay, so our first snack is going to be human fingers. So the ingredients you're going to need for this are hot dogs, buns, and ketchup. Okay, so we're gonna start with the human finger snack. So we're gonna take our hot dog and a knife, and be careful with your knife. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off the end to look like a fingernail, okay? So don't cut too deep. Okay, and that looks kind of like the end of a finger, doesn't it? We're going to cut some lines right here to look like the knuckle, because if you look at your knuckle, you can see you have creases. Okay, so we're going to cut some lines, wiggle it around a little bit so they're more pronounced. But don't actually cut out the pieces of hot dog. Okay, now, let me set my knife to the side. We're going to get a bun, hot dog bun. Okay, and we're going to put ketchup just on the hot dog bun. Okay, not on top of the hot dog. There we go. You can see it looks like a finger sitting in blood. Okay, so now we're going to make witch brooms. The ingredients needed for this snack are pretzel sticks, cheese sticks, and fresh chives. Okay, so we're going to make witch brooms. So we have some cheese, this is a cheese stick. We have some chives, also known as green onions. And we're going to have a pretzel stick. Okay, so what you're gonna do is we're gonna cut this cheese stick in half. Okay, push that one to the side. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut lines on one end to make the bristles, okay? So I'm not really cutting all the way through. I'm just cutting a couple lines here on both sides. About the same height, okay? Oops, got a little bit of a bristle removal, that's okay. It'll still look like a broom, it'll just look like an old broom falling apart. Okay, be really careful. You have to hold the bristles down while you're cutting. So let's pull them apart just a little bit, but not too much. We don't want them to come apart like one of our pieces fell off. We're just unsticking them. I might have to cut a little bit more. Okay, we've got our bristles here. I might cut off just a little bit more here. Okay, so we've got our bristles. Now what we're going to do is take our pretzel stick here, and we're going to stick it into the end we did not cut, okay? Gently. Be careful because you can break your pretzel stick doing this. Okay. So you can kind of see it's starting to look like a broom. Where the chives come in is they are going to tie around our broom and make it look like a string tied around it. Okay, and now we have a broomstick. Okay, so our next snack is going to be dirt cups. So what you're going to need for that is chocolate pudding, Oreos, and gummy worms. Okay, so we're going to make dirt cups. So you can either make your own box pudding or you can buy the little snack packs. So So I'm gonna open this. Okay, so I've got Oreo cookies. These are the tiny ones. It doesn't really matter though. You can crumble these up with your fingers. You can put them in a bag and smash them. I'm gonna see if I can kind of break them with a fork. That's not really working, so I'm gonna actually just crumble them with my hands. My hands are clean. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the crumbles and you're gonna sprinkle them on top of the pudding, because you're trying to make it look like dirt. If you got the bigger cookies, you probably will definitely have to smash them with something though. Okay. It's kind of messy. You can also do this with other types of dark colored cookies. You don't have to have the icing in it. So the icing kind of looks like gravel to me, or rocks. Okay, so we've crumbled up our cookie on top of the pudding. And now we've got a gummy worm. And now you can kind of stick him down in there and make him look like he's coming out of the dirt. There you go, you've got a dirt cup. Now you can layer this if you ever want to scoop the pudding out into another cup and layer the cookie crumbs. That's always great too. Okay guys, just some extra tips. So here's all of our snacks together. You can always cook this hot dog and it might look a little bit more open and bloated, so that's pretty cool. I use chives for this, but maybe you can use other herbs as well and other types of cheese, maybe string cheese. And again, layering with pudding, or making your own pudding even, or you can even put little tombstone decorations too. All right, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.